everybody. Welcome to Balance's first edition of Wellness Wednesday. I have Dr. Tony here, Carrie Cronin here with 8 Furlong Consulting. I am the Chief Marketing Officer, and today we're going to talk about men's hormones. Yes, so tell me a little bit about men's hormones and why those are important, that guys should get their hormones checked just as much as women.
Okay, so let's talk about just a general overview. Testosterone, natural occurring hormone in the body. It helps with muscle build, helps with libido, energy, even red blood cell production. Okay. As we get older, the testosterone level decreases. So in order for us to supplement it to get that energy back, the libido back, that's what we do. Okay. There's several reasons you could have low testosterone level. There's primary and secondary hypergonadism and age-related. We deal mostly with age-related. Okay, so when you come in here, we'll check your levels, see where you're at, and see how we can optimize it so you feel better.
Okay, perfect. And how often should somebody get their hormones checked?
Well, it starts dropping at the age of 30. Okay, drops about 1% after that. So somewhere around 35, 40, I even have young patients in the 30s, early 30s that get it done.
Okay. And then once they get it done, you figure out where their levels are, and then what kind of medications or procedures?
Good question. Yeah. There's different types of testosterone replacement. You could have a gel. Okay. You can get shots. You can get oral supplementation. You can get pellet insertions. Personally, I prefer the injections. It's much easier for me to get the range right, the dose right, and it's only once a week. There are some people that do it more often, and that's something that's just catered individually.
Okay, so it's not just a one-size-fits-all then. Everybody has different options that they can use and choose what's best for their body to help them stay balanced, right?
Exactly. It's all about staying balanced and not overshooting. You'll see some people that's giving them a blind dose and they're overshooting, and then they're aggressive, they're not sleeping well, and their blood is getting too thick. So then they have to go give blood draws to the Red Cross and draw some blood. So it's all about maintaining a certain balance, staying healthy, getting your labs checked, and making sure you're staying in those healthy parameters.
Perfect. And how would somebody go about scheduling an appointment with you to see about coming in?
So we do a free initial consult where you come in, we'll talk about it, and do initial blood work. If you had blood work with your physician within 3 months, we could look at those. But usually the primary care doctors don't get too much into hormones. So we'll do at least a hormone panel to see your baseline, and then we'll have a discussion whether this is something you want to proceed further or not.
Okay. So men shouldn't be scared to come into Balance Med Spa at all, because you can help them with all sorts of things. And
yes, most definitely. There's a variety of stuff that can be done here, from skincare to the hormone replacement to weight loss. We're all about the mind, body, and being healthy overall.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate it. And stay tuned to next week for another episode.
Take care.
All right.